Spending a lot of time in the garden these days. We've got more time at home and there's lots to do. We had some rain this week, and this weekend we're expecting some warm temperatures. It's the perfect time to get in and split some of your perennials. Perennial grasses, ornamental grasses, are one that a lot of us have in our gardens. What does happen after a while is the middle part will die out. The plant is reaching out for energy. It's sort of expended all of the nutrients from the middle. And if you don't want all these holes in your garden, now's the perfect time to take care of that. So you can see the sort of ring around this. You can split this into multiple sections along the way here. So I've got one section here. So you would just sort of split this out, pull it out. You've got a nice little starting patch here. You can move this then to another area of the garden and multiply your plants. So you would do this 4 or 5 times in the garden and get 4 or 5 times the plant material. If you don't have space for it, feel free to give it to a friend. Have a great day.